Hi viewers, welcome to our channel and umbrella. Let's start the topic. Simple fitness tips never before. 1. Nature. 2. Physical. 3. Mental. Let's start with walking of 10,000 steps. Benefits are helps in weight loss, improves heart health, reduces chronic diseases, reduce stroke risk in women, decreases diabetes risk, lowers blood pressure, increases lung capacity, improves mood, improves varicose veins, boosts immunity, prevents disability, speeds up digestion. Part 1. Nature. Let's go into the sun rays, which gives natural energy, and start Surya Namaskaram in 11 steps, as shown in picture sequence as above. The benefits of Surya Namaskaram are, which makes muscles strong, helps shed weight, increases energy, makes you more focused, improves concentration, increases flexibility, increases the body stamina, kickstart the metabolism, and much more. Part 2. Physical warm-up exercises for full body start with head, shoulders, hands, navel, legs, which increase flexibility, increases your heart rate and therefore your blood flow, less muscle tension and pain, lower risk of injury, increased blood flow and oxygen, better range of motion. Part 3. Mental. Do simple yoga, i.e. pranayama, are of 7 types as shown in picture above. 1. Nadi Shodhana helps to balance hormones, releases toxins, infuses body with oxygen. 2. Dirga Pranayama keeps lungs healthy, calms mind and body, releases muscular tension. 3. Kapalabhati Pranayama improves digestion, warms body, energizes, and endears mind. 4. Setala Pranayama cools the body, increases concentration, reduces anxiety and stress. 5. Samavriti Pranayama, flow of consciousness, increases energy, reduces stress. 6. Bhramari Pranayama, increase happiness, helps with high blood pressure, most effective for awakening Kundalini. 7. Bahaya Pranayama, helps release constipation, improves digestion, helps to achieve tranquility. Hope it's useful and start your day and be fit. Have a long life and enjoy.